Here's how to get new gloves in Slap Battles. On the Slap Battles game, what you need to do is go to Slap Royale game mode and then go inside the portal. Once you're already on the portal, what you need to do is to press F on your control panels or on your keyboard, and you'll be able to pick up there the gloves or the gloves options that is available. Once you press F or the pick up, you are now going to decide which glove are you going to choose. So what you need to do is to press E from your keyboard or control panel so that you can use the gloves that you wanted. You can also go to the equip section and go ahead and click on the equip options that you will see. So as you can see, this is the baby slap glove that you can use. Now, for you to be able to return to the original gloves, just go ahead and click on or find the default, and then your gloves will go back to the default glove that you use on your game.